Hi, my name is Dave. I'm an award-winning cake designer and I'm the co-founder of DeLovely Cake Design and Academy. DeLovely chose Chatswood to have our business in because of its vibrant community. It's a beautiful mix of cultures, families and different businesses. From Northbridge Bar's 100th celebration to the Atonement Street Festival, we've created custom cakes to make these occasions even more memorable. Our team is made up of award-winning cake designers and internationally certified instructors. At DeLovely, we don't just design cakes, we create happy memories. Our kids' workshops are very popular. They are fun, they are creative, and kids can bring their masterpiece home. In 2025, we look forward to celebrating more special moments for new couples, families, and kids in the Willoughby area.